Zimbabwe's already fragile criminal justice system has been thrust into controversy following a directive by Prosecutor General Lois Matanda Moyo instructing prosecutors to facilitate the release of inmates, citing severe overcrowding in the country's prisons. Matanda Moyo is the late General Sibusiso Moyo's widow. Satapina Mashkobra Yukwachitsi, SB Moyo's wife, secretly orders the release of criminals. Subscribe or like on the bell. On a mobile conscience. Zimbabwe's prisons are currently holding nearly 10,000 inmates beyond their official capacity, underscoring a long-standing crisis marked by dilapidated infrastructure, underfunding, poor health service, and prolonged pre-trial detention. The prison system has for years struggled with congestion, outbreaks of diseases, food shortages, and delayed trials. Problems repeatedly blamed on systematic failures within the justice delivery chain. In an internal memo dated 7 January 2026, seen by this publication, Matanda Moyo revealed that the country's prison population stands at 27,683 inmates against an official capacity of only 17,800. To ease the pressure, she directed all public prosecutors to take prison overcrowding into account during bail hearings and sentencing. Prosecutors were urged to actively consider bail fines and community service as alternatives to custodial sentences. Only in deserving cases should prosecutors advocate for custodial sentences, Matanda Moyo said. The memo circulated to prosecutors nationwide highlights the extent of congestion in Zimbabwe prisons. It draws attention to the large number of inmates who are yet to be convicted. Of the total prison population, 5.970 are unconvinced accused persons, a situation the Prosecutor General said violates constitutional protections. In quotes, our law scoffs at pre-trial incarceration. An accused is presumed innocent until proven guilty, she said. Generally, it is undesirable for an unconvicted person to be denied his or her liberty except in exceptional circumstances. She reminded prosecutors that pre-trial detention is not automatic and stressed that the state must justify continued incarceration. The directive instructs prosecutors to urgently review bail conditions, particularly for accused persons detained solely because they cannot afford monetary bail. Ndomashikwana kuda nyogwa panguva ino amuri kuona ari kachisugestiwa aiwa naSB Moyo wife panguva ino achiti aiwa maprisons edu azarisa, musangoti wamabata chero nevanenge panguva ino vachionekwa kunzi the people who are yet to be convicted panguva ini musakumhanyira mumwe wakandira kuseri just because aiwa maprisons edu asina capacity yekuramba achibata vanhu vese kana kuchengetedza vanhu vese ivavo, chinzi aiwa vape mamwe alternatives kana kuvapa community service nezvimwe zvakadaro. Pena comment section medu zofunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pe this suggestion. Subscribe or like, totomba bell.